What's up, you guys? My name is Tia and welcome to my DIY channel, Urban Muse. And today we're going to DIY a hat hanger. I recently purchased this hat off of Amazon that I've been obsessed with, and then I did end up buying 3 more colors. And so my new problem is that I don't know where to put these. I've only ever owned a winter hat that I can just easily slip inside of a drawer, and I'm thinking that since I'm going to do a room makeover that it would be really cute to display these on the wall. So I went to Pinterest, of course, and I did get a cute idea that does stick with the southwestern boho theme that I will be going with. And if you guys are interested in seeing what I create, then let's get on with the video. Alright, to begin this project, you will need at least 3 to 4 hats. You will need some clothing pins, about 3 to 4. You also need some handy dandy scissors, as well as your favorite string, and then a piece of wood or a dowel. Now it is the DIY time, and you are going to grab your string and cut about 100 inches just to give yourself enough string to work with. Next, I'm going to measure how long the stick is just so I can be precise on where I put my strings. The length of my string ended up being 22 inches, so my center string would be placed at 11 inches, and then I wanted the outside strings, which would create the hook, to be 4 inches towards the midline. You're now going to attach the outside strings to the stick. To secure the string to the first side, I wrapped the string around the stick 4 times and then made a knot at the end. After, I repeated the same process on the right side and then trimmed both strings at the end. Alright, the last thing to do is just add the middle string, and of course we're just going to repeat the same process, but this time instead of wrapping the string around the stick 4 times, I did 5 times. Also, the length of your string is just dependent on how long you want it and how many hats you might put on your string. After I tie this knot, we are almost done. We just need to add the final touch, which is just to trim the string, and then we'll move on to adding the hats. Alright, you guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I'm now going to show you how to hang your hats onto our wall hanging. So I have a pin up here already, so now I'm just going to align the stick. Now that I have that aligned, I'm going to show you guys an in-depth view on how to attach your pins to the string. Now this part is super easy. You're just going to open your pin, loop the string around, open it up again, and there you have it. So that was pretty easy, and now we're about to add the hats. So I decided to do kind of like an ombre. We're going to start with the lightest hat first. Let's see, I'm gonna move mine up a little bit. That's also what's great about using the pins. It's like you can adjust it to go up, to go down when you want it. So I think right about here is perfect for my first hat. And I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. All right, I think it looks good. And then we'll go with black next. Do our easy pin twist. And then I'm gonna put this buckle on this side, just so they're opposites. And then for our last hat, it's cute, like dark chocolate color. I'm also gonna flip the buckle to this side so that they're both on opposite sides. Grab our last pin here. Let's see. That's about where I want it. And then add it. Actually, let's go up a little bit. Didn't move. This one didn't move as easily, but again, we can just unwrap it and then place it on. Alright, so this right here is a masterpiece, okay? I mean, so simple to make, but it looks so good. And it definitely has that boho theme going for that I was going for, so it's definitely boho approved. And maybe I should add this hat on here, but I feel like it looks so good with the 3 already. Maybe comment below if I should add this 4th hat or not. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and why not subscribe for more easy DIYs to become your own muse. Hopefully I catch you guys in the next video also. See ya. Bye.